Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Pages and selecting either a template or a blank document. Choose a template if you want a ready layout. Next, set page size and margins via Document Setup so spacing is consistent. Once done, enable the ruler and show layout to reveal guides for alignment. Make sure to save to iCloud or a local folder now, so versions sync across devices and you avoid losing work if you switch Macs or iPad. You now shape the document. Apply styles for headings and body text to keep formatting consistent, modify a style, and it updates everywhere. Insert images and shapes, then use Arrange to choose text wrap, lock position, or adjust Z-order so elements layer correctly. Once images are placed, create sections to vary headers and footers across the document and set up a master page for repeated layout elements. This avoids manual fixes and keeps long. You finish by preparing the document for others. Use Collaborate to invite teammates with specific permissions so edits sync in real time. When ready to distribute, export via File Export to and choose PDF, Word, or EPUB. Review the exported file to confirm fonts and spacing preserved. If something goes wrong, check for missing fonts or broken image links, relink or embed assets and re-export. One troubleshooting tip: install any custom fonts on all devices or replace them to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.